Hello again. So today I'm going to change the rocker cover gasket. I've got the new one here with all the gaskets and everything. So yeah, I'm just going to take the cabinet filter components apart and then take this cover. Cannot film it because again don't have my tripod with me. So now with all the covers off, just need to make sure you put the oil filler cap on, so no bolts go inside there or anything. Now I just need to unplug the coil packs. There we go, and obviously remove them. There we go. Now with all of them removed, just need to start unscrewing all the bolts. So now all the bolts are loosened up, so I'm gonna try and lift it carefully. Yeah, with this job you have to be patient. You have to do one bolt at a time, no rush, because if one of them snaps, that's a big problem. Out. There we go. So yeah, now I'm gonna give a clean around the wedges to make sure that everything is smooth as it should, and I'm gonna as well inspect everything to see if everything is alright. I mean, I don't know really much about engines. Oh yeah. One thing that I can see here is the actuator. Seems to be in pretty good condition. What else? This is the vanus unit or cams or whatever. The engine seems to be leaking from that side there, as you can see there. I'm just cleaning these bits here. These bits here of rubber. Make sure if you do that, you pull it towards you, like away from the inside of the engine, so then later on they don't cause problems. This is just bits of the gasket, the old gasket that was here. Yeah, now it's all clean. I'm just going to remove the old one from here. You can see here on this side of the gasket, there was the back part of the engine. It was leaking there. Oh! So the new gasket is on, and I noticed that this one was really brittle, easy to crack, as you can probably hear. It's really solid. It's supposed to be really. This one was leaking all over the place, and this bit was this bit was on the inside of the engine. Ugh. Right, this is not good at all. And that, and this. Yeah, good thing that I'm changing it. So now I'm just going to put some gasket sealant. I'm not going to put on the rubber because it's a bit tricky to adjust and get the rocker cover gasket sitting properly. So I'm gonna put them in here, in these bits here where they're prone to leak, and back there as well. Especially back there, because that's where the problem was. Yeah. Also, these bits are for the spark plugs, and they have 2 little gaskets, so I'm going to replace them now. I've got them in the back there. Just changed those gaskets there. The previous ones, they weren't too bad, but because I've got the engine already open, so I might as well just do them, because if I don't do it, next thing that will happen is everything is fine with the new gasket there, and then these ones will go and they will leak in onto the spark plugs, and that's not good. So yeah, basically they go over here. You just have to kind of like put them in place, press them down, and then as you can see, you have to be firm in there. Yeah, that's it. Just clean my camera lens. So yeah, as you can see, it don't need to be much, just a little bit, because the gasket will do the job anyway. Yeah, put it back there as well. All the wedges. Yeah, all settled. So now I'm just going to put the screws back on. There is an order for it. Now it's all on and torqued up. Just need to replace this bit here. Okay, so just changed this one here, and now I just slid this one as well. This bit here of the wiring room. I just need to plug that one there back, and then put the coil packs back in, and that's it. Basically the reverse of what I've done. So it's all together now-ish. I just need to put the cabinet filter, but that doesn't matter. So I'm just going to start it and run it, see if it goes